Have you ever looked at a goal, a problem, or a challenge and felt completely overwhelmed? Maybe you want to change your life. Start over, get healthier, build confidence, find purpose. But the goal feels so big that you don't even know where to begin. I've been there. After rebuilding parts of my life, running ultra marathons, and learning some difficult lessons along the way, I discovered one mindset shift that changed everything. Today, I'm going to share the mistake I was making, the lesson a mountain taught me, and how one simple question helped me move forward when I felt completely overwhelmed. For most of my life, I thought successful people saw the entire path. I thought they had a complete plan, a complete roadmap, a complete vision. And because I couldn't see every step ahead, I often felt stuck. I wanted certainty. I wanted guarantees. I wanted to know exactly how everything would work out. The problem? Life rarely gives us that. Most of the time, we can only see the next step. But I spent years focusing on everything I couldn't see, everything I didn't know, everything that might go wrong. And because of that, I often didn't move at all. It was a cycle of overthinking that kept me paralyzed at the base of the mountain. One day during a trail run, I found myself standing at the base of a mountain. The summit was hidden by clouds. The trail disappeared into the distance. I remember looking up and thinking, there is no way. The climb looked impossible. My mind immediately started calculating how far, how steep, how difficult, how uncomfortable. And the more I looked at the entire mountain, the more overwhelmed I became. Then something happened. I stopped looking at the summit. I looked down at the trail directly in front of me. One step. That's all I could see. One step. So I took it. Then another. Then another. Somewhere during that climb, I realized something. The mountain didn't require me to climb the entire thing at once. It only required the next step. That sounds obvious, but it completely changed the way I approached life. Because suddenly, I wasn't asking, how am I going to solve everything? I was asking, what's my next step? Not next year, not next month, not next week, today, right now. What's the next step? Everything meaningful grows through small actions repeated consistently. Right now, it's just about this one action. And that question removed so much pressure. It allowed me to breathe, to move, to start. When I look back on some of the biggest changes in my life, none of them happened all at once. My Coast Guard career wasn't built in one day. My trail running journey wasn't built in one race. My career wasn't built in one decision. Pop wasn't built in one video. Everything meaningful grew through small actions repeated consistently. The problem is that we often focus on the destination, but progress lives in the process. That's where the real transformation happens. Maybe you're trying to lose weight. Maybe you're trying to rebuild your confidence. Maybe you're trying to improve a relationship. Maybe you're trying to find purpose. Whatever mountain you're facing, stop asking, how do I climb the whole thing? Start asking, what's my next step? Because that's where progress begins, not at the summit, on the trail. That's where the real work happens. It's about the movement you make today, the decision you make right now. That's your trail, because that's where progress begins, not at the summit, on the trail. Take that next step today. This is why progress is one of the 4 pillars of POP. Progress doesn't demand perfection. Progress doesn't demand speed. Progress only asks one question. Are you still moving? Because every step counts, even the small ones, especially the small ones. Are you still moving? That's the only thing that matters. Not how fast, but that you haven't stopped. Every step counts. The small habits, the minor decisions, they all build the mountain of your life. Even the small ones, especially the small ones, because those are the steps that actually get you to the summit. Today, I want you to identify one mountain in your life, one challenge, one goal, one problem. Think about that one thing that feels too big to start, that one goal that keeps you awake at night. Now stop focusing on the summit. Stop looking at how far you have to go. What's the next step? Just one, not the whole path. Just the very next thing you can do. Just one. That's all it takes to break the cycle of overthinking. Take it today. Don't wait for tomorrow. Take that one step right now. The mindset that changed my life wasn't complicated. It was simple. When life feels overwhelming, stop looking at the entire mountain. Look at the next step. Because mountains are climbed one step at a time. Lives are rebuilt one step at a time. Confidence is built one step at a time. Purpose is discovered one step at a time. This is POP. Positivity, ownership, progress, and purpose. The pillars of a rebuilt life. And remember, you don't need the whole path. You only need the next step. I'll see you in the next video. Stay positive, stay accountable, Mindset Rebuilders.
Check